kakaiba dito sa Zamboanga. Meron silang Grab na tok-tok. Ay, tok-tok ba yan? Ano, bao-bao. Ayan, no, Grab yan. Na bao-bao. Ayan, no, kakaiba, oh, Grab. Yan. Oh, Grab na bao-bao. So, papunta tayo sa Fort Pilar from Dennis Coffee Garden. So, papunta kami sa Fort Pilar. Yun yung inistihan namin. Tapos, dyan yung SS.
Perfectly chosen location because it's the center of the city.
Ayan, Mercury.
And surroundings are the malls of the
Sige, yan. Tignan natin kung kung kayang lakadin mamaya.
Ayaw nila na may kasi.
Ayan, SM City. Mind Pro. Okay. Saan? Ito na yata yung Fort Pilar.
Mountains echo with her song, guiding footsteps all along. Maps may fade, but she won't lose her compass is the path she chooses through the valleys deep and wide. Starlight as a guide, no mountain is ever too high for a soul that's meant to touch the sky. Anadine's the explorer, brave and free, sailing through the world's great mystery.
Let's go.
With a heart that
Where's this
shines,
right?
a spirit
Open up.
bold. She turns the unknown into gold, and the demons keep on reaching
okay.
for the light.
Ito na yun. Fort Pilar. Ayan.
Sunrise glow to twilight sand. Every
Ito yung nasa bungad sa papuntang Fort Pilar.
She carries light through darkest woods she finds.
So yan yung National Museum Fort Pilar.
The rain may fall, but
Ah.
she will answer every call. There is no distance she won't go to see. The world
Ayan, papasok kami.
humanity is the explorer, brave and true.
May bayad po ba? Okay.
World's horizons call to you.
Bawal. Bawal mag-video.
With every dawn, your story grows, and a path is
Okay. Sa personal ko to. So, may registration. Register here. Ayan. Hello. So, wala namang pong bayad, no? Wala daw bayad. Yes. Free Wi-Fi. So, una naming napuntahan ang Fort Pilar Museum. So, bawal lang daw sa mga gallery. Dito sa labas, pwede. Ayan.
Grenadines makes the post.
Wow! Ang ganda naman pala, oh.
Walking the path where the wildflowers grow. Watching the beautiful rivers.
So, napag-alaman ko sa guardian na magkakatabi lang pala tong yung shrine, yung museum, at saka yung Paseo del Mar. Ay. Ay. Medyo tahimik lang tayo. Ayan. Oh. Ganda rin pala. So, ayan. Papasok para labas na kami.
Across the rivers through the sky. And a walk
Nandito tayo sa ibang gallery.
every step a
In fairness, ang ganda ng kanilang restroom dito sa Fort Pilar Museum. Ayan, dito yun sa boys and then sa girls.
with every breath, a brand new start, a map
May CR
of
din.
dreams within
In fairness. Ay, napakalinis. Ang ganda naman.
explorer, brave and free.
Pupunta pa tayo dito sa unahan sa Tabawan.
Mystery. With a heart that shines, a spirit bold.
Wow. At saka in fairness, naka-aircon.
Keep on
Ang lamig. Naka-aircon.
turning every shadow something bright. Mountains echo with her song,
Ang ganda.
guiding footsteps all along. Maps may fade, but she won't lose. Her compass is the path she'll choose through the valleys deep and
Ikutin natin
wide.
ito dito.
With the starlight as her guide, no mountain peak is ever too high for a soul that's meant to touch the sky. Anadians, the
Ang ganda
explorer,
ng
brave
dito
and
sa
free,
museum. At saka naka-aircon siya.
sailing through the world's great mystery.
Ganda, di ba?
With a heart
Wow.
that shines, a spirit bold, she turns
Pinaganda
the
nila
unknown
talaga.
into gold.
Ayan.
Anadians keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into something bright. From sunrise glow to twilight's end, every journey makes a friend. She carries
sila
hope, she
nagpunta.
carries
Yung
light
dalawa,
through darkest
sa kaya
woods. She
nagpunta.
finds what's bright. The wind may
Nadaan na ba kaya sila
howl, the
dito?
rain may fall, but
Yun, oh.
she will answer every call.
So,
There
ito
is
yung
no
mga
distance
sandata
she
sa
won't go to see.
gera nung mga unang panahon.
Anadians,
Ah,
the explorer,
lantaka.
brave and true.
Lantaka.
The world's horizons call to you. With every dawn, your story grows, and a
So,
path
ito naman,
is where you go.
mortar. Ayan.
Anadians, the explorer, brave and free, sailing through the world's
Ang
great
linis.
mystery.
Ang linis ng loob.
With a heart that
Naka-aircon siya
shines,
talaga,
a spirit bold, she
Yes.
turns the unknown into
Wow. Ang ganda,
gold.
ang ganda ng gallery na to. At ang lamig.
Gold in her
Yung
soul.
hagdan.
Anadians makes the broken world whole. Walking the path where the wildflowers grow. Watching the beautiful river flow.
So, nakalabas na ta dito sa Tabawan Gallery. So, lipat naman tayo ng ibang gallery. Check natin to dito kung anong gallery naman to. Ibang gallery din siya. Wow! Kakaiba ding gallery. Ayan. So, Southern Philippines Portal and Nexus of Barter Trade and Exchange. Okay.
Across the rivers, through the skies, and
Ganito.
walks with wonder in her eyes. Every step a tale
Ang ganda
unfolds,
dito.
treasures found
Ayan,
and
oh.
stories told. She traces lines upon the sand, seeking secrets of the land. With every breath, a brand new start, a map of dreams within her heart. Anadians, the explorer, brave and free,
Maganda din
sailing
dito sa gallery
through
na to.
the world's great mystery.
In fairness, naka-aircon talaga ang kanilang gallery. As in, hindi kayo maiinitan. Pag lumabas kayo ng gallery, mas maiinitan kayo doon. Pero ng mga gallery na napuntaan ko, napasukan ko, naka-aircon siya talaga. Ibang gallery din to. Luho, Landap, Inaol, and Tin. Ayan, iba din to. Hindi pa. Ayan, subukan din natin to. Wow, iba din. Mga malong. Design ng mga magagandang malong. Ikutin natin to dito. Wow. Oh, very nice.
She turns the unknown into gold. Anadians keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into something bright. From sunrise glow to twilight's end, every journey
May tagusan
makes
pala
a
dito.
friend. She carries
Ayan.
hope, she carries light
Ano
through
na ako
darkest woods.
dito.
She finds
May
what's
tagusan
bright. The
pala.
wind may howl, the rain may fall, but she will answer every call. There is no distance she
Meron
won't
ditong
go
parang
to see.
paakyat, pero hindi pinapapasukan. So, meron naman dito, underwater jewels. Okay, pasok tayo dito. Oh,
With every dawn, your story grows, and a path is where you go.
ang ganda.
The explorer, brave and free.
tingnan nyo naman, oh, gaano kaganda yung mga corals na nakolek. Wow. Ang ganda, na-preserve nila talaga. Halos lahat. Mga sinaunang bangka. Ayan. Yung mga fish cage. Ayan, fish cage yan, oh.
Makes the broken world walking the path where the wildflowers grow, watching the beautiful
Tala, punta tayo sa taas. And,
the light.
okay.
She is the way
Okay.
into the gold of a brand new day.
Saan ang hagdan? So, kailangan lumabas dito. Ayan. So, lalabas na tayo dito. Lipat naman tayo ng ibang gallery.
Skies and it walks with wonder in her eyes.
Dito yung akyatan.
Every step a
Friend,
tale
dito.
unfolds, treasures found in
Ayan yung dalawa, o nasa taas na. So, may ibang hagdan na naman dito, oh. Alam mo na, na-preserve nila talaga yung, yung place. At ang kintab. Parang bagong-bago pa talaga.
Anadians, the explorer, brave and free, sailing through the
Ang
world's
gaganda,
greatest
tignan. Ayan.
with a heart that shines, a spirit bold. She turns the unknown into gold. Anadians keep on
Ibang
reaching
kadyaan
for the light,
na nakahang.
turning every shadow into something bright. Mountains echo with her song, guiding footsteps all along.
Yan yung corals kanina na nadaanan natin.
Her compass is the path she'll choose through the valleys deep and wide. With the starlight as a guide, no mountain peak is ever
Kaya pag pumunta talaga kayo dito sa Zamboanga, sa
that's meant to
Fort Pilar
touch the
Shrine,
sky.
pero ibababa kayo sa Fort Pilar Museum. So from there, unahin nyo na yung museum kasi magsasara sila ng 5 p.m. Yung shrine naman kasi, parang open pa yata sila ng mga ganyan oras. Kasi yun yung magsisindi ka ng kandila, ganyan. And then right after, sa shrine, pasayo, basta yung may pasayo sila. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Mamaya puntahan naman natin yun. So, mga sinaunang bangka. Ayan.
Every journey makes a
Ayan.
friend. She carries hope, she carries light. Through darkest woods she finds what's bright. The
Ang ganda
wind
niya,
may
tingnan.
howl, the rain may fall, but she will answer every call. There is no distance she won't go to see the world begin to glow. Anadians, the explorer, brave and true.
Ayan, oh. Na-preserve nila yung mga, ginagamit noon.
With every dawn, your story grows, and a path is where you go. Anadians, the explorer, brave and free, sailing through the world's great mystery. With a heart
Pababa na
that
tayo.
shines,
Lipat naman tayo ng ibang gallery.
turns the unknown into gold.
Bangka, nakahanging. Hinang nila.
Gold in her soul.
So, dito naman tayo na, nag-gallery.
Anadians
Yan.
makes the broken
Oh.
walking the path where the wildflowers grow, watching
So, papasok kami dito. Kaya nga, madilim. So, ayan, paakyat tayo dito.
she is the way.
So, hindi ako sure kung ito yung pinaka-last na gallery na iikutan. Pero alam niyo, parang, ang titibay nito. Mga nara yata. Wow! So nice. Grabe. Ang history ng lugar siguro na to.
Across the rivers, through the skies, and a
Ang
walks
pinaganda
with
nila talaga,
wonder in her eyes.
Preserve na preserve yung mga kahoy.
Treasures
Yan.
found and stories told. She traces lines upon the sand.
Ayan, oh, super colorful, oh.
With every breath, a brand new start, a map of dreams.
Super colorful, oh.
within her.
Ang mga,
Anadians, the
ang mga paintings na nasa, cloth.
sailing through the
halos naikot na namin lahat ang ano na to, ang gallery na ito.
Mountains echo with her song, guiding footsteps all along. Maps
And palabas na kami dito sa gallery na to.
her compass is the path she'll choose through the valleys deep and wide. With the starlight as a guide, no mountain
Paalis na kami dito sa Fort Pilar
that's meant to touch
Museum.
the sky. Anadine's the explorer, brave and
Yan, so salamat Fort Pilar National Museum sa experience dito sa lugar mo.
with a heart that shines, a spirit bold. She turns the unknown into gold. Anadians keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into something bright.